All right, let me show you this before I'm doing the whole car without doing the video, and then you'll just say, well, oh, there's no difference. Well, here you go. Here's a spot. This car sat outside 2 years, but even so, probably sat outside with no love for all its life, of course. Here's another spot. Big difference. Doing this this windshield wiper, they've been driving me crazy how disgusting they are. How faded. I got to get in there, of course. I'm going to get new windshield wipers, so it doesn't matter. But look how faded these things are. This is going to need another coat. I shouldn't have really touched it. Sometimes with this stuff, you got to be kind of easy with it. And it will show like the brush strokes. Even though, whatever, it's kind of like, it looks sometimes like you're painting. And I may have to, unfortunately, do another coat on there. You see this spot? Big difference, but it really does bring back the black, which I do love. Stuff is pricey. You buy it on Amazon. The link will be in the description below, but it's well worth it. You know, it does the job and it stays that way. All right, coming along, getting in here, still dirty, but it's looking better. On this side, it's dirty now because I didn't do it. I did the front. Here, I'll show you this side now. Here's the side I'm working on right now. Coming in here. So how am I getting in here? It's difficult because this is in the way. You don't want to break it. I have one of these guys. It's just like a pry bar or something. Then I'm putting this. I'm spraying tough stuff on there. I don't know. On the rag. Getting it in there. Yeah, I got to get that spot. But in here it was really bad. Like that. But yeah, you know, first you move the moonroof around, you pop it up, all types of stuff. This way you could just get in there. Yep, just continue on. Remember, it's over 20 years of crud in there.